Hi there, I'm Java Jim with 1st-Line Equipment, and today I want to introduce to you 1st-Line Equipment, a little history about us, where we've gone through and where we are today. So some people wonder, how did 1st-Line Equipment start? We basically started in October of 1997. Myself and a few other partners decided to sell espresso and cappuccino machines online, and it actually goes back even further than that. My dad, who came over from Croatia in the 1960s, basically finished high school here in the USA, and he went to go work for a coffee machine manufacturing company here in New Jersey. And then in the 70s, they used to send him out for service calls, and in the late 70s, he decided to open up his own business, repairing coffee machines and so forth at commercial establishments, cafeterias in New York City. And in the early 80s, he would take me to stay at a trouble while I was not in school with them in his company. So that's how I kind of learned a little bit of the industry on the coffee side. Fast forward to 1997, there was an opportunity where myself and a few others can start 1st-Line Equipment, and basically we worked out of a one-room office. We had other companies drop ship, and we were one of the first commercial sites to implement online shopping and ordering over the phone. Fast forward to 2003, actually 1999, 2003, we had our own warehousing where we would actually stock the items that we sold, the majority of items, with less reliance on drop shipping, because we wanted to be able to ship the same day or ship 99% of our orders the same day from the orders that came in the night before and that morning. So we hope you enjoyed listening to our intro here about 1st-Line Equipment, about the history. We're also making a lot of videos. If you watch down below, we're growing our library of videos, which includes tech support, product introductions, product usage, overviews, and even quick tip videos, as well as quick insight videos on certain products. So thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you can, and watch all our videos down below, and please subscribe and follow our channel. Thank you, and have a great day.